Hello student, welcome to economics class. We will now discuss about some important short questions of economics. Let us first discuss what is utility. Utility means want satisfying power of the commodity. Okay. So what are the types of utility if you talk about? There are four types of utility, leaving two more. See, form utility, place utility, time utility, service utility. Okay. And besides that we have two other utilities, marginal utility and total utility. Right. So, what is form utility? Now, by the transformation of any commodity, the utility or the use value or exchange value of a commodity increases, we say it is form utility. For example, change of a log of wood into furniture or cotton into cloth are the example of form utility. Now, see about the place utility. Similarly, you have to write that due to change in the place, if the utility of a commodity rises, that's called as place utility. For example, sand in a river has no economic cost or value of exchange. But when it is brought to the market, its value increases. You know this. So sand in river, sand in market. You can say wood in forest, wood in market. You can know that. This is the place utility. Then let us move to the time utility. With the change in the time when the utility of a commodity rises or falls, sometimes it rises. We say it is time utility because here the utility or use value of a commodity and exchange value of a commodity rises due to change in the time. For example, there is high demand for ice creams in summer season but no demand for them in winter season. Am I right? So this change in the value of ice cream is due to the season. That's why it's called time utility. And coming to the next question, service utility. There are some services which satisfy human wants. Yes, there are some services which satisfies human want. Service of a teacher, service of a doctor, service of a lawyer. These things are said to be service utility. Okay. And coming up next, marginal utility. See, three more utility I am telling you here. Initial utility, marginal utility, total utility. So coming to the initial utility, when a consumer consumes a commodity, the utility derived from the first unit of the commodity. Utility derived from the first unit of the commodity is called as initial utility. But when a consumer consumes a commodity, the utility derived from the last unit consumed by the consumer. Last unit consumed by consumer. It is said to be, marginal utility. Similarly, now what is total utility? Total utility implies some total of all the utility derived from all the commodities consumed by the consumer. So it's all about the types of utilities overall you came to know about. Okay students, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.